If you are wondering what all we carry in our cabin bag, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I'm gonna show you everything what all we carry in our cabin bag. This is my cabin bag. So let's unpack my bag. Dun-dun-dun. So let's start with my folder in which I keep all the documents. I'm gonna show you. So guys, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो, आपको रेड कुछ तो दिख रहा है. And this is my blazer. We have to carry in our cabin bag. ज़रूरत अगर पड़ी कभी तो we can wear it. Next is our QRH. So this is the manual for safety. If we have to use it in flight, we can use it. We can read everything from here. And yeah, that's it. So this also we have to carry daily in our crew bag, and in briefing IFS is going to check it. Next is our apron. So this is our service wear. We have to wear it in flight when we are serving to our guest. This is how it looks. This is my makeup pouch. We carry all the makeup along with us. This is extra makeup pouch, I can say, in which I carry all my hair accessories. I'm gonna show you what all is there in this makeup pouch. As you can see, pins, donut, gel, hair gel. So I have 2-3 hair gel. One is from Patanjali and one is from our company recommended, which is very strong, which is very hard. And this is the spray, we have to use it. So this is my hair accessories. Next is this cardigan. We have to use it in winters. We can wear in flight also. For example, if we are operating any long flights like Mauritius or Singapore or Bangkok, then you can use it in flight. So it's simply like sweater जैसा ही है. You can see मैंने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया वैसे तो, because I don't feel cold in flight. I always feel hot only. So this is how it looks. Next is our hand gloves. So they have given us one pair of hand gloves. You can see this. So this is the new Air India hand gloves. This is quite big for my hands, but still we have to use it for the oven. तो oven से खाना निकालने के लिए we have to use these gloves. Glasses if I'm going for layover. ये हमेशा मेरे बैग में ही पड़ा होता है by default. इसको मैं निकालती नहीं हूँ. And I'm gonna show you how it looks. This is my glasses. Next is my phone charger. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हम शॉर्ट फ्लाइट के लिए जाते हैं, डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट के लिए, बट वी गॉट पुल्ड आउट फॉर इंटरनेशनल ऑल्सो. सो वी हैव टू कैरी चार्जर सो दैट वी कैन यूज इट ऑन लीव. नेक्स्ट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट, दैट इज़ माई कैबिन शूज़. बिकॉज ऑन एयरपोर्ट वी हैव टू वेयर हील्स, विच इज़ क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस इन फ्लाइट. बिकॉज इन फ्लाइट जब एयरक्राफ्ट क्लाइंब पे होता है तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वॉक इन हील्स. वी हैव टू वेयर flats, which is called as cabin shoes. We have to change the shoes after boarding. And yeah, so this is my cabin shoes. I'm gonna show you. I use it only for international flights because short flights में time नहीं मिलता है हमें shoes change करने का. Next we have this one flat. If I'm going for layover or if I got pulled out for layover, so we can use it. Next we have this my cute diary. If I feel bored in aircraft, so I can write anything in this. And this is gifted by my best friend. If we have halt or the flight get delayed, so time pass करने के लिए हमारे पास या तो phone होता है या तो books. So I prefer reading books. Now layover things come. So this is my night dress. If I'm going for layover, I can wear it. This is extra dress, I can say, if I'm going out with my friends or if I'm going out to meet somebody. This is my swimming costume. Yes, so it has everything. This is the swimming costume. This is my earplugs. This is the glasses and this is a swimming cap. I always carry this because for my layover it helps me a lot. As you all know that I have to lose weight, so this is the best thing, and I love swimming. So yeah, this is my swimming costume for each and every flight, for each and every layover. And what is this? Okay, this is extra pair of stockings. अगर हमारी stockings फट जाती है एयरक्राफ्ट में, जो हमेशा ही होता है, तो we can use it, we can change it in flight. Next is my formal. Yeah, so next is my formals. This is one shirt and one trouser we always have to carry. What if flight got cancelled? Then we have to travel deadhead, or deadhead में we have to wear formals. We don't have to wear uniform because that would be too much. And this is the belt for formal trouser. Here comes the main thing. This is my uniform, extra set of uniform. फ्लाइट में अगर कुछ भी हमारी यूनिफॉर्म पे गिर जाता है या कोई स्टेन लग जाता है, तो वी हैव टू इमीडिएटली चेंज द यूनिफॉर्म, बिकॉज फिर गेस्ट देखते हैं तो फिर दे ऑलवेज मेक फन ऑफ अस, लाइक हाउ द क्रू इज appearing and look at her dress, it's not clean, it's very dirty, all the things they always talk about. So we have to carry always one extra set of uniform. So I'm carrying this palazzo and blouse, and this is the drape, we can use it. So I think I have shown you everything what all was there in my bag. This is the eye mask. कभी कभी लेवर्स पे हमें ऐसे भी क्रू मिल जाते हैं जो लाइट्स ऑन करके सोते हैं, जिन्हें बहुत डर लगता है लाइट्स ऑफ करके सोने में, तो आई हैव टू यूज़ दिस आई मास्क बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट स्लीप इन लाइट. आई लाइक माई रूम हैज़ टू बी डार्क, कंप्लीट डार्क. So that was it about my bag. I'll show you what is there. So it has a few things like my earrings, my metro card if I'm going in Delhi, extra watch. Yes, it has extra watch. So it has extra watch also. आप देख सकते हो इतनी सारी चीज़ें थी हमारे बैग में, and we have to carry all these things daily. Yes, strictly daily. Oh, what is there in this shan? I'll just check. Okay, so this has my cute mini game. जब भी लॉन्ग फ्लाइट होती है मैं हमेशा इससे गेम्स खेलती हूँ, and it's quite interesting. So now I'm gonna show you what all things are there in my this hand purse, which is from Da Milano and which we have to carry on each flight. So we have two options. Either I can carry one tote bag which is little large, and or this one. So I prefer carrying this one because this is small and I love this. So let's unpack this one also. So सबसे पहले आप देख सकते हो मेरा ID कार्ड है इसमें, my AirPods, this has nail paint, and this has my BHU. So फ्लाइट पे जाने से पहले we have to do alcohol test, which is called breath analyzer. So we have to use this tube, and then I have one pen. In this section I have Boroplus, ORS, and few medicines, bandage. This doesn't have anything. So many compartments are there. So this is my small makeup pouch. I'm gonna show you what all things are there. And this is the mirror. In this I have small notepad which we have to use in flight to write anything, like any type of shortage, tea coffee not done, everything I can write it here and give it to IFS. Let's open this one. So in this section I have few medicine again and my cards. This one I think it has my passport. Yeah, it has just passport. And the last and the most important thing is flashlight. We have to carry it on each flight. ब्रीफिंग में हमारे ये भी चेक होता है, तो ये हमें लेके जाना पड़ता है हमारे बैग में. और इन फ्लाइट फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ वी आर डूइंग नाइट फ्लाइट एंड विच इज़ वेरी लॉन्ग, तो एयरक्राफ्ट की जो लाइटिंग होती है वो बहुत डार्क हो जाती है एंड it's very difficult to walk in the cabin. So we have to use this flashlight for our convenience. Yeah, in this compartment I can keep my extra papers. There is one more compartment, so this also I use it for keeping papers. So that's it about my Da Milano bag. So let's open this one. So first you can see my perfume, then hand lotion, my lipstick, one more lipstick, one pen, lip balm and one candy. This is I think earrings, an extra watch obviously. So I have 2 pairs of extra watch. That's it for today. मिलते हैं एक नए वीडियो में. नमस्ते.